as much energy is saved by recycling compared to incineration. And here is a table from a Canadian consulting company. This column here says how much energy you save with recycling. This column gives you how much energy you make with incineration. And this column is the ratio. How much more energy is saved compared with burning. Mixed paper, 4 times. This plastic, 10 times. This plastic bottles, 26 times. It's an environmental crime to burn these plastics.
È un delitto ambientale bruciare questi tipi di plastica.
And for the Italian government
Il governo e lo Stato italiano
to subsidize
dare sussidi
incineration in the name of alternative energy is stupid, if not criminal.
e che il governo italiano dica che questo è un modo
Yes, I'm saying for the Italian government to subsidize in the name of energy, in the name of alternative
come se
energy.
fosse una modalità di energia alternativa è stupido, se non addirittura un delitto.
That money should have gone into solar panels, water heaters, solar water heaters, photovoltaic cells. You've got a country with full of sunshine.
È un paese pieno di sole e quindi si doveva investire in questo, nell'energia solare.
3 produces toxic air emissions, and finally there are better alternatives. So we'll go through these. 1. Brescia, the most beautiful incinerator in the whole world.
Il bel valorizzatore in tutto il mondo.
Il termovalorizzatore e inceneritore sono la stessa identica cosa.
Are these two terms identical? They're the same type
Oh,
of
yes. Public relations. Incineratore. This incinerator cost 300 million euros and only produced 80 jobs. 80 jobs. If you compare this with Nova Scotia, 50% reduction in 5 years using recycling and composting, 1,000 jobs. And another 2,000 jobs in the industries using this material. So 80 jobs versus 3,000 jobs. Incineration produces a toxic ash. For every 3 to 4 tons of waste, you get 1 ton of ash. So you're not getting rid of landfills. This doesn't put an end to discarica.
A questo punto non si eliminano le discariche.
Clean Denmark. Verdi Denmark.
Bellissima, pulitissima Danimarca.
They have a wonderful solution
Hanno
to
una
it.
soluzione paragonabile.
They sent it all to Norway. And in Italy, they do this. Yeah. In Italy, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Now, incineration also produces toxic air emissions. We're concerned about toxic metals like plumbo, cadmium, mercurial, and so on. And also, in the burning process, it makes dioxins and furans, which are extremely toxic substances.
Questi sono estremamente tossici, quelli alla fine, questo è che cosa si produce quando si brucia, quando si incenera, questa parte sotto.
And these toxic substances come out as nanoparticles, nanoparticle. Now here's a problem. This is a big problem for the incinerator industry and for the public.
E questo è un grande problema sia per l'industria che per il pubblico.
Because incinerators regulate particles at 10 microns and soon 2.5 microns. But these 10 microns are cannonballs compared to the teeny weeny
piccolo
nanoparticles.
Perché quello che riesce a regolare nell'inceneritore sono solo questi al di sopra di 10 micron, invece quelli al di sotto che sono super
Usually remain suspended in the air for long periods of time. And that situation is made worse in Italy because everywhere you have mountains.
Questo è ancora più pericoloso in Italia perché dappertutto ci sono le montagne.
And so that traps the particles.
E questo fa sì che si intrappolano le particelle.
Now we already know that the larger particles, the 10 micron particles, cause respiratory problems. And the smaller the particle, the more serious the respiratory problems.